How to save CapCut video in gallery. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up CapCut in your mobile device. Now once you get to this edit page, tap on this option that says New Project. Now you have to select a video that you would like to edit in CapCut. Then tap on Add. Then you will land on edit page. Here you can edit your video, and once you're done editing your video, to export or to save your video in gallery, all you have to do is navigate to top right corner. There is an export button, tap on it. And you have to wait until the video get exported. Now once the export is done, you will land on this interface here. As you can see, you can share your video to Instagram or Instagram story, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, and if you tap on this other option, you will get multiple more application. So you can share your video to all of this application. Now to save your video to gallery, all you have to do is tap on the done option from the top right corner, and then this video will be automatically saved to your gallery. Now you can go back to your gallery and check your videos there. So this is how you can save CapCut video in gallery, and hope this video helps you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.